Is your CCTV business running on WhatsApp? If you're managing leads, technicians, quotations, and service calls through chats, you're spending more time chasing messages than growing your business. That's where MAPOG comes in. With story.mapog.com, CCTV companies get a dedicated field service platform that brings every part of their business into one centralized system, making operations faster, smarter, and far more organized. Your team always knows what needs attention, ensuring no opportunity is ever lost. Next comes camera planning. One of the biggest challenges during CCTV sales is helping customers understand exactly what they'll get. Instead of explaining camera positions over phone calls, MAPOG lets you design the entire CCTV layout directly on the customer's floor plan. You can place cameras, visualize coverage zones, identify blind spots, and even display DORI compliance levels before installation begins. Customers can clearly see the proposed security coverage, making approvals faster and reducing installation changes. Once the design is complete, there's no need to manually prepare quotations. Traditionally, installers spend valuable time calculating cameras, cables, NVRs, switches, and accessories. With MAPOG, professional quotations and bills of materials are generated automatically from the CCTV design with a single click. As soon as the quotation is approved, assign the job to the right technician based on territory or nearest availability. The assigned technician instantly receives the job on a mobile app. Even after installation, customer service becomes effortless. Instead of relying on phone calls and WhatsApp messages to report issues, customers simply scanned a QR code attached to their CCTV system to raise a service request. The relationship doesn't end after installation. MAPOG helps you schedule annual maintenance contracts, automate AMC reminders, and manage recurring preventive maintenance. When every feature works together, MAPOG creates one seamless workflow from lead management and camera planning to automated quotations, installations, and after-sale service. If you need any help with adding or uploading data, analyzing maps, creating maps, or GIS consultancy, you can write to us at support@theratemaPog.com anytime.